Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. And today we are taking a look at a very hyped project with massive potential, and the project is called Starknet. So this is a brand new technology. Starknet is a layer 2 network over Ethereum. It enables any DApp to achieve unlimited scale for their computations. And what makes Starknet so unique is that it is a permissionless decentralized validity rollup, also known as a ZK rollup. And ZK rollups are definitely the new hot narrative in town, and I believe that it will continue to be one of the driving narratives in the next bull cycle, which there's a small chance we're heading into right now, so buckle up boys. Look, you might not believe me, but the numbers don't lie. Just have a look at Mina, OP and Matic. They have pretty much outperformed all other tokens in these last few BTC pumps that we have experienced, and all of these projects are implementing ZK rollups. So ZK is definitely the future of scaling Ethereum, and Starknet is pretty much the people who invented this technology. So with the up and coming token launch and the airdrop of Starknet, you have the opportunity of a lifetime to make some incredible gains. Let's get this crypto. Also, one of the reasons why I personally want to get in on this airdrop is because, well, my personal DeFi portfolio is pretty small. It's under 10k right now, full disclosure. Meaning, if I manage to get in on this airdrop, I could potentially grow my portfolio by 10 to 20% overnight for completely free. Let's get this crypto. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to want to do in order to use Starknet and have a chance to get in on this airdrop is that we need a wallet. So Starknet uses Argent X as their preferred main wallet. I will have a link to Argent X in the description and in the comment section down below. Setting up your Argent wallet is very easy, pretty much the same exact process as setting up a MetaMask wallet. You simply just download Argent X for Google Chrome or Mozilla, whatever browser you use, and follow all of the steps. The next step after installing and setting up your Argent wallet is to bridge from the Ethereum mainnet over to Starknet. So for this I suggest you use Starkgate, link is in the description. So to bridge we first need to connect our MetaMask wallet. And we also need to connect our Argent wallet, which it looks like it did it automatically. Very nice. So I'm gonna bridge over my ETH right now, so hang tight. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes, and yeah, as Starknet is in its early development phase, there might be some small bugs like this waiting to accept on L2, but when I check my wallet, I can see that my funds have already arrived. So yeah, no need to worry if it takes a few minutes, just sit tight and it'll get sorted out. Okay, so now we get to do the fun part, and that is we get to play around with some DeFi apps on Starknet. So the first app that I'm gonna be fiddling around with is JediSwap, as JediSwap seems to be the native DEX on Starknet, so we are definitely going to want to play around with this one to max our chances on getting in on this goddamn airdrop. So yeah, mainnet warning. JediSwap is on Starknet Mainnet, which is currently in alpha stage. Yup, I understand, this is high risk. So I already got a plan in mind what I want to do with JediSwap. I want to provide some liquidity for this DEX to hopefully prove that I am a supporter of the network and to hopefully get a better chance at the airdrop. Also, as JediSwap is the main native DEX on Starknet, I will have a chance to earn some of their rewards token in the future if they decide to release one, that is. So, add liquidity. Wait a second. Okay, add liquidity. What tokens do they have? Okay, DApps. Let's do like Ethereum and wrapped Bitcoin. Yeah, I think I will go for that one. So trade, let's select a token. So wrapped Bitcoin, let's do like 0.06. So according to JediSwap, that should be about 0.0039 Bitcoin. Now, because this DEX is in its alpha phase, I suggest you double check that the value is correct. So let's head over to CoinGecko. I have here convert Ethereum to Bitcoin. Let's do 0.06 ETH, and yeah, it's about right. So let's do the swap. Swap it. Confirm the swap, and let's see if it goes through. Okay, so I just got the notification that the transaction was confirmed. Let's refresh the page. Yup, seems to be correct. Okay, so let's stake our tokens. So as Starknet and JediSwap is in its early development phase, this is definitely high risk, you know. If you decide to provide liquidity, make sure you only put in money that you are willing to lose. So let's click on supply. So as you can see, as this is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, the fees are very low compared to Ethereum, that is. Those fees are ridiculous. I'm just checking the transaction on StarkScan, and yeah. And we're approved. Okay, so heads up, the transactions might be a bit slow as, yeah, like I said, it's in its early development phase. So let's see if my liquidity was added. So it's still pending. Let's wait. Okay, so about 10 minutes later my transaction got confirmed. Let's refresh the page. I understand, and connect our wallet. Let's connect. Hey! Awesome! Okay, perfect. Okay, so what I usually like to do when I'm airdrop hunting in these new ecosystems is that I like to play around with all sorts of different DApps on their network, so that maybe I can get in on an airdrop from some other projects, you know, under the Starknet ecosystem, if that makes sense. So in order to do this, I usually go over to their Discord, in this case the StarkNet Discord, and I scroll through all of their official links and other project links that they have linked on their Discord, and pick some that I like and play around with them. So that's what I have done right now. Also, I will leave a link to the StarkNet Discord in the description, so if you want to do this as well, you can do so. So I found 4 different projects that I thought was pretty interesting. The first one is called Nostra. This is sort of like a Aave type project. You can stake, you can lend, you can do all sorts of things. So let's test it out. So as we can see, you can stake DAI, ETH, USDC, USDT and wrapped Bitcoin. So head over to analytics. So only about 20k staked in this DApp. So I definitely want to get in on this one. Seems like not a lot of people are playing around with Nostra. So maybe we have a chance at an airdrop. So let's see. Maybe I'll swap some ETH for DAI and stake it in here. Let's check it. So okay, alpha deposit limit. You can max stake 5 DAI. So let's play around with some dexes and swap some DAI. So this is 10k swap. This seems to be one of the more popular dexes. So let's swap some DAI. Let's put like 3 DAI. Swap. Confirm. Let's approve. Close. Hopefully this doesn't take 10 minutes as well. This is another DEX that I found called mySwap, so let's swap here as well. DAI, 2, swap. This one seemed to be a popular DEX as well. Okay, awesome. And now let's stake this DAI that we just swapped. So 4.99 DAI. Deposit. Approve. Let's go! Okay, now I wonder if I can borrow against this. No. Okay, so I'm actually like dumb. I just noticed this when I tried to borrow, that you cannot enable cross-tier assets as collateral. However, you can borrow them along other assets. So of course I staked the only cross-tier asset that they have. So I'm not able to borrow against DAI. Instead I should have staked USDT or USDC and I would have been able to borrow. But hey, I will do that maybe another day instead. Because yeah, that's one important thing when you're airdrop hunting. You want to make sure that you come in every once in a while and play around with these networks and the different applications on the network in order to maximize your chance for the airdrop. So the last thing that I want to do is pick up a NFT, because I saw that they also have NFTs on Starknet, so let's do that. Now I'm on Aspect. This is a NFT trading platform on Starknet, and let me tell you, these NFTs are, yeah, definitely not my type. What the hell? So I saw someone mention something about a punk, so let's search for that. Okay, so they got like few different 0.19 ETH. God damn. What's like the cheapest punk that I can vote high? Okay, so they are pretty expensive actually. Let's go with like a cheap basic one. This one is kind of weird. Can't even really tell what it is. I like that it's very blurry, and yeah, let's buy it now. So let's approve. It's not even a Stark punk. Oh my god. Worst investment ever. Did I get it? Okay, so this is pretty cool with the Argent wallet as well. You can check your NFTs, and yeah, I got it. Okay, cool. Now let's immediately list it for sale. And of course I'm gonna double the price because I'm a businessman doing business things. list for sale. Let's freaking go, dude. Stonks. Hey, I'm like the new Warren Buffett or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching my StarkNet airdrop hunt. Hopefully you got some good alpha. If not, I apologize for wasting your time. Anyway, like always, none of this has been financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe. I usually drop videos on DeFi passive income projects, so if you're interested in that, check out my YouTube channel. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.